Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to use gift card on JD Sports online. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in jdsports.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of JD Sports. Make sure you're logged into your account so you'll be able to use your gift card in the checkout interface. So make sure to add the item to basket. If you do not know how to do that, simply click on the item that you want to buy. After that, you'll be able to find the option for add to basket. Click on it and that item will be added to the basket. Now what you have to do is simply click on this option basket that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the basket interface. You'll be able to see all the items that has been added to your basket. Simply click on the option proceed to check out. Now you'll be led to the checkout interface. First of all, you'll have to provide the shipping details. Simply provide your address. You can see over here I've already provided it. Also select the delivery method of your choice. Now click on the option continue to payment. Now you'll be led to the payment and billing interface. Over here you'll be able to add your gift card. What you have to do is scroll down. Under the payment method, you'll be able to find the option for user gift card. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to use your gift card. All you have to do is provide your card number and PIN over here. So simply enter your card number first. Click on the field of card number and enter it. This number will be in the gift card itself. Likewise, you'll also have to enter the PIN. If you do not find the PIN, simply look at the gift card. Over there, you'll be able to see the pin located under the silver scratch off section. If you do not find the pin, you can also contact the customer support. So simply enter the pin over here. Now after entering the card number and pin, click on the option apply that you can see on the screen. After that, the gift card will be applied. Now you can simply click on the option review order and review your order. After that, your order will be placed. So like this, you'll be able to use your gift card. So that is how you use gift card on JD Sports Online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.